Welcome. Today, we're diving into Ansible and its slick way of authenticating with Windows using certificates. Forget messy passwords, certificates are the way forward. Not only do they tighten security, but they also make automation smoother. So sit tight because by the end, you'll wonder why you ever relied on passwords in the first place. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. All right, let's set the stage. Ansible is a powerhouse for automation, and Windows authentication is key for secure access. While passwords have been the go-to, they bring security risks. Certificates, on the other hand, are the superhero alternative. Secure, efficient, and ready to save the day. Why should we bother with certificate authentication? Simple, it kicks those annoying password management issues to the curb. It's way more secure, perfect for automation at scale, and plays nicely with Windows authentication. So if you're tired of forgetting passwords, certificates are here to rescue you. WinRM is like the backstage crew making Ansible's Windows magic happen. It lets us manage remote systems, authenticate securely, and communicate effortlessly. Think of it as the secret handshake between Ansible and Windows. Without it, nothing would work. All right, folks, let's dive into certificate authentication in Windows. First, we set up a certificate authority. Think of it as the VIP section for authentication. Next, we generate and import certificates. No, not the paper ones. Then, we tweak system settings to recognize them. Finally, we test to make sure nothing explodes, figuratively, of course. Let's make automation magic happen with Ansible. First, install it, because, well, we kinda need it. Then, configure it to use certificates, making authentication smooth as butter. Playbooks come next, automating the boring stuff so you can relax. Finally, test things out, because what's automation without a bit of paranoia? Security isn't just about locking doors. It's about making sure nobody sneaks in through the windows. First, strong encryption keeps things airtight. Then limiting access ensures only the right people get through. Updating and revoking certificates. Think of it as replacing old locks. And don't forget to monitor logs, because surprises are only fun at birthday parties. Ah yes, troubleshooting, where we realize technology has a sense of humor. Expired certificates. That's your system's way of telling you it's time for a refresh. Misconfigured settings. The equivalent of plugging your charger into the wrong outlet. Network issues. The digital version of a traffic jam. But don't worry, logs and tools are here to save the day. Why certificate authentication? Simple, it's like upgrading from a flimsy lock to a high-tech security system. Stronger security beats passwords any day. Scalability means it grows with your needs. Fewer credential leaks. That's fewer panic attacks. And integration. It fits right into enterprise frameworks like a puzzle piece. Real-world benefits incoming. Securing remote access. Absolutely necessary. Automating authentication in the cloud. Saves time and headaches. Compliance, because no one likes penalties. And enhancing security for sensitive operations. Think of it as putting an extra lock on the treasure chest. And there we have it. Certificate authentication is secure, scalable, and downright practical. Implementing it isn't just smart, it's essential. Need more info? Plenty of resources await. And troubleshooting? Don't sweat it, there's always support. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.